Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping active sync so files don't change mid-process. Click the OneDrive icon, choose Help and Settings, then pause syncing and sign out. Once done, close the app from the system tray and confirm the OneDrive window is gone. Make sure you've copied any important files to Documents or another local folder. This prevents accidental loss. If you need admin credentials to remove settings, get them now so the next steps run without interruption. You will remove the app and its leftovers. First, try Settings Apps and Features and uninstall Microsoft OneDrive. If that fails, run PowerShell as admin and use. Get apps package *OneDrive remove apps package. Next, delete OneDrive folders in %local app data % and %program files % to free space. After that, open Regedit, export the registry branch for backup, then remove OneDrive key. You finish by preventing OneDrive from returning. Open Task Manager and disable OneDrive in Startup. If group policy applies, set the OneDrive policy to prevent usage. This stops reinstalls via updates. Once done, restart the PC and check Task Manager for OneDrive processes. Verify your files are safe in local folders. If something goes wrong, reinstall OneDrive temporarily to restore settings, import the registry backup you exported, or use System Restore to revert. That should resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.